Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's Carrie the Chemist here, and this is my new channel. It's about investing and all the good stuff that you need to know about investing your money safely. So this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, girls or guys. Always do your own research and ask a professional about investing your money safely. So I'm just gonna review something that I'm passionate about. And it's a simple way of investing just to get your feet wet. So I'm just gonna go over that right now. So stay around and learn something and be adventurous and see you how much you can learn about investing your money. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about saving money in the bank versus investing in the stock market. Okay, so let's talk about the S&P 500. So that's Standard and Poor's um 500, and it has 500 companies under one umbrella. It's a widely used index in the US for US companies. It has small caps, that is small companies, and large caps, that are large companies that cover billions of dollars. So if you want to purchase Walmart or Disney, Apple, Tesla, any of these big companies, if you can't afford to buy individual companies, then you're able to get them as a package. So you can go and get an S&P 500 index, and it will contain all these 500 companies in one. So if you're looking at technology companies or banks or supermarket or any stock that's on the stock market, you should find them in the S&P 500. It's a very liquid stock, so if you purchase it early this year and you want to sell it at the end of the year, you just want to hold it for a year, like it's very liquid. If you want to hold it for 3 months, you can do that. So it's something that any investor that is just starting out doesn't really understand about buying stock, and this is something that you can talk to your investment banker about, and they can guide you through this. Okay, so we all have access to money from time to time, and we have to decide, do I want to put this in the bank or do I want to invest it? Investing is pretty scary for most of us because a lot of us don't understand how to invest and how to even start investing. So let's say you have $1,000 and you want to do something with it. Then getting the S&P 500 is a great way as a novice investor. If you really don't understand much about stocks, it's a great way to start. So everything is expensive now. So we're just using $1,000, but you might need at least $1,500. But just for simplicity, and I found this site and it was talking about $1,000. So I'm just giving you an example with $1,000. So let's look at the numbers for $1,000, and you're gonna fix that by the S&P 500 and see how that goes in the next 10 years. So let's look at the numbers, guys. Okay, so let's look at investing $1,000 in the S&P 500 and doing this for 1 to 10 years. So if we look at a year, we're looking at gaining $134. That's huge, right? And then your $1,000 grow to $1,134 in 1 year. If you look at a 4 year period, you're gaining $500 on your $1,000. So you're making $1,565 after investing after 4 years. If you go to the 10 year period, if you're patient and wait for the 10 year period, then you're doubling your money, and that's even better. So you've earned $1,600 on your money, on your $1,000, and now you have $2,600. So it's a great way of putting your money into something that's safe and still earning good interest. So if you're pondering and wondering, oh, I have some good money and I don't know what to do with it, just go into the bank and ask the investor advisors. Like I'm heard about S&P 500. Show me the numbers. How much would I earn on my money after a year, after 3 years, after 5 years? Let just sit them down and they can explain to you exactly what I'm saying to you today. So this is just some advice that I'm giving you so that you can do some research into it. So this slide is pretty much showing you the percentage growth of your investment after 1 year, after the 4 year period, at the 10 year point. Like you see how it increases every year and then you end up doubling your money. So these are the numbers that's showing you in a graph form how things are for those of us who have to be visual. This is an example of what it looks like. Your money will grow over time. So just a summary, this video is pretty much saying that there are investment tools out there that's not too challenging, not too techy, that you can't figure out with the help of your investors. Your your people who work in the bank who does the investing. Just go in there, ask them about the Standard and Poor's 500 index. This is where there are 500 companies in the stock market, guys. It's not that difficult. And you can earn money on your money and it can grow. And you can do it when your kids are born. And by the time they get to college, you have some money so that they can go off into college. Like just go out there and speak to somebody today and ask the relevant questions and invest because this has been around since 1957. This is old. This is something that is not a scam, all right? We have a lot of quick, rich schemes out there, but this is something that has been around. This has made millionaires and billionaires out of these companies. So don't be afraid. Just go out there, get informed, and invest and grow your money. Okay? So you take my advice. I'm not an advisor, but use my advice to do some research and see how much you can just trust the process. All right? There are millions of people are doing this every day. So just trust the process and do some investing today. Thank you. Have a good day.